You good? You're just shaking your head over there?
Yeah, I'm making sure the recording's working. Overloaded. Ah, fuck.
You wanna record this? Okay, cool. Everything is so different now. Llamas up there. Wow.
Okay, everything should be fine if I don't move too fast.
So I want to let this freaking place burn down in freaking the glory of explosion. So I brought TNT. I'm just gonna, yeah. Join me. We shall destroy this horrible building. I feel like you're gonna put the freaking video on like in chat. People be like, "Whoa, what are you doing?"
Wacky funny moment time. Oh fuck, it's too soon. Oh fuck, it's too soon. Oh fuck, it's too soon.
What did you guys do? What did you guys do?
Oh god! Oh no!
I forgot about the redstone I had in my house. Oh no!
I love how I said wacky funny moments time, and then it's like I hear TNT go off, and I'm like, wait, too soon, too soon.
That was way too soon, but then again, everything's destroyed except this. I mean, it worked, you know? Oh my god, they changed iron ore. No, kind of looks weird now. Whoa. Well, you know what? We did it.
Too.
We did, I guess.
I'm kind of my frame rate tanked like super bad.
Yeah, it did. I like the fact that we just ran out like, oh no, no, no. Yo, we straight up just acted like hey, welcome. You just missed us being freaking Cleveland Brown for like 5 seconds.
I just wanted to say hi to you guys, because, you know, it's
Alright, bye.
Wow,
Get out of
so
here.
rude.
Alright.
I'm just gonna
I didn't mean to do it again.
Oh my god, it will.
Alright, time to go straight up north. Actually, wait, isn't he up there? Isn't Peter up there north?
Peter is super far north.
Time to go northeast.
This was like, no. I'm
gonna get a bit away from my house. I'm gonna leave my dogs here.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna get a bit away from my house before I start collecting materials.
Die, you stupid animals. There we go. I think that's good. Wait, no.
Yes, destroy the bed.
Yes, destroy the bed.
Ooh, I should probably do that.
And the chicken. Oh, the chicken killed himself. Alright, we're good. If anyone walks over here and sees this, they'll be like,
Where are you guys at?
Wait. My animal. Wait. Does that mean we can actually... Oh, look. Fuck. Does that mean we can actually, like, launch animals?
I'm pretty sure that's been a feature.
Oh my god, it's gravel. Hold on, I want to launch this thing up in the air. Huh. I guess we can't launch the animal. I don't know what the hell happened to my animal, but... Alright, well good then. Okay, so Nathan, you just have to... I'm gonna de-op myself. First, up.
Hold on.
Pop,
Hold on, there's one more thing that I want to do.
Yeah, please de-op me, please. Or slash op.
You can de-up yourself.
I've de-opted it.
I'm doing that.
I know this is a bit overkill, but I just really want to do this.
What are you gonna do? Stop! I didn't mean to disconnect.
Wait. I thought he kicked you.
I already wanted to do this kick swing.
You thought he was gonna kick you, so you kicked yourself.
Okay.
Northwest. You know
I'm
what?
just gonna.
Pacific.
Oh, I'm so great about it.
Oh, you still are? Okay, good.
Oh, the big hole. I love this. Yeah, this is a giant hole all the way down. Oh yeah, dude.
I like how I was scared that the water would stop it all.
Okay, well, anyways, I'm still in creative mode, but I'm de-opted, correct? You just gotta de-op me and then kill me. Starting fresh from spawn. I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna get all my diamonds right. Watch this. Game mode 1. I don't have permission.
Huh?
Ah. No! Ah! No! Oh, you asshole! You're using bedrock. No! No! No!
So,
No!
what's going on?
No! No!
What are you doing?
No! It's no! 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 No!
I'm so confused as to what you're doing. Are you concerned?
Holy shit.
I'm so fast. I'm so fast. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
No one's
Come
gonna
on.
answer.
Psych.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh, that still works.
This looks tedious as all fuck.
Oh god, I spawned next to Jeremy's house. Jeremy has a mob spawner? What the fuck?
Silk touch works.
No, it doesn't.
No. Jeremy has a not a mob spawner, a mob grinder.
Oh.
Like mobs spawn in and they fall.
Well,
Oh.
silk touch still works on this server.
I don't think it does.
It works on this server.
Silk touch?
Ah,
Wait, what the fuck is silk?
you don't know what Silk Touch does. You mean the pickaxe enchantment?
I don't think
Well?
this is a mob spawner at all.
Wait, are you here with me? I don't see it.
Yes. I'm in the tower.
What is this tower?
It's a tower. It's just a watchtower.
Okay. Well, I'm not gonna go visit anyone. Just gonna